Hey guys, it's Cheryl here today. I'm out here on my patio doing a little quick garden DIY, and I'm doing a little bit of painting on a little toad that I have. So if you want to see how she turns out, stick around. Be back. Okay guys, you can see I already put a bow on her head this morning. And I haven't named her. If you guys like to name her, I appreciate it. Just comment below. And if you like things that I do around the house, which is mostly gardening, DIYs, and decorating, and sometimes cooking, I appreciate it if you would consider subscribing if you like this content. And so I had already painted her toenails with this folk art glow-in-the-dark paint. We had a lot of rain the other day and the paint came off. So what I decided to do, which I already put 2 coats on, I decided to paint her toenails with this apple barrel jack-o'-lantern color. This acrylic paint. You can use any color you want. I just picked orange because I remembered that I had some glow-in-the-dark orange paint. So I'm going to put a 3rd coat on her. And what does she look like? I don't know if y'all can see, but I see a little tiny red bug on her. I don't know why. They are out here on her. So I hope everybody's doing well. We're doing fine here. Staying at home as much as we can. I still work. But so I'm going to let her toenails dry and see if I think it's enough. And then I might put one more coat on it and then come back and put maybe 2 or 3 coats of the glow-in-the-dark paint. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, while we're waiting for her toenails to dry, I wanted to show you my Siberian irises that have started to bloom. Really pretty purple. And I have some over here. Let me show you. Walk down here. These look a darker purple. I did a video a few years ago on how to plant Siberian irises, so I'm going to link that up down below so you can check that out. But yeah, they're blooming nice. They don't last long as far as cutting, but they like moisture. And I have a few in my cutting garden that's doing okay. You see I got a few over there growing up in my hydrangea. I had to pull them out. So I just wanted to quickly show you how they're blooming. And they just multiply. I let them go to seed. I probably should not do that over here so it won't get so crowded. I see I got a blooming what is this? This is daggone clover. I got that out. Okay, so we'll be back in a second when her toenails dry. See if we got enough polish on them, or paint. At least she can at least get her nails did. Okay, what do y'all think? I think that's enough. I'm gonna go ahead and put the glow-in-the-dark polish up there. Is that coming around the whole time? There we go. Paint was acting up. So I'm just going to put that on there. Hopefully it'll stay on this time. It won't get washed off by the rain. I probably should have used patio paint for the toenails. I'm sure I probably got some orange patio paint somewhere. So I'm gonna let that dry. I'll probably put another coat on there. So let's see how she looks. Isn't she cute? Hey, comment below if you want to name her. I hadn't thought of what I'm gonna call her yet, but I'm gonna check it out. There's plenty of sun today. I might come out later when it gets dark. See if her toenails glow, y'all. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.